And our reporters are joining us live. We are getting you the most exhaustive coverage, and we're getting you the momentum that's building up in the fans. Let's take you straight across to Dubai from where Ankan is reporting. Is outside the Dubai International Stadium. And Ankan, you've been speaking to the fans there. It's going to be, an epic face-off. What's the mood and sentiment out there? Take us through, speak to more fans. Get us the live sentiment as it's evolving.
The fans are getting inside stadium and few fans are standing here and there waiting for Indian team's bus to arrive. Indian team has left their hotel a while ago and they are expected to be here inside the stadium at any moment. So they are all waiting in different areas for the fans. I will speak with them as well. Indians and Pakistani fans both are here, and a different kind of fan war we can see here. And they are just having their fun. Some are saying that we will be winning one-sided games, while others are claiming that it should be a good battle between the both teams and they should get their monies returned, which they have invested in their ticket. And I can tell you Indian team is pretty confident. As Shubman Gill also said yesterday in a preview press conference that Indian team won't be having any pressure. Toss is not a factor, and players are in form, and we are also confident. I have with me some fans who are joining us. You are from, where are you from, sir? Okay, so what are you expecting today, ma'am? Please, ma'am.
Rohit Sharma 100.
Yeah, and what about Pakistan? Will this match be an interesting battle, or it will be one-sided win?
One-sided game.
Yeah.
India will thrash Pakistan outrightly.
Ma'am,
Thrash India.
ma'am, what do you think? What will happen?
So, all the best to India.
Who's your favorite player? Whom are you expecting to score a lot of runs?
Virat Kohli for sure. Virat Kohli.
Okay, so as you can see, Indian fans are coming here and they want Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma to perform and score tons of runs in Dubai International Stadium.
Absolutely, and we can also see some Pakistan, fans of Pakistan also crossing you. We'll also like to see them face off, Indian fans versus Pakistan fans ahead of the match. But before that, let me go straight across to Karishma, who's also joining us. Karishma, what's at stake? Because a lot of people are talking about the setbacks that both the teams have faced in the run-up to this match. Take us through what's at stake for Team India and how the Dubai factor plays out to be an advantage for the Indian team.
Well, yes, absolutely, Sagarika. India is looking at virtually sealing a semi-final spot if they are to win versus Pakistan today. In fact, remember, 2017 was when we lost to Pakistan by 180 runs in the final of the Champions Trophy. So there's that to avenge as well. And India has been on a roll. If we talk about the first match versus Bangladesh, it was, of course, very, very exciting. In the middle, the cricket fans would be hoping that India could have done better, not letting Bangladesh batsmen get from 35 for 5 to 190 for 5. But having said that, Shubman Gill came good, Mohammad Shami came good, and they will be hoping that they can keep the winning momentum.
I have to interject for just a moment. Let's go back once again to, Dubai from where Ankan is reporting. Ankan, take us through the live update.
The Pakistan team has reached the stadium. As you can see, the fans, they're all across the roads outside of Dubai International Stadium. Pakistan team has just arrived and we are waiting for Indian team as well. And see, the Pakistan fans are here. क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हैं आज आप लोग? What do you want?
क्या होगा?
हाँ जी, किसकी बैटिंग? क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हैं? क्या पाकिस्तान? एक इंटरेस्टिंग मैच या फिर एक वन साइडेड गेम? पाकिस्तान, अरे बिल्कुल, पाकिस्तान की टीम से आप लोग किसको उम्मीद क्या कर रहे हैं? कौन रन बनाएगा, विकेट कौन लेगा? बाबर आजम की लास्ट सेंचुरी कब मारी थी बाबर ने? किसके खिलाफ? कोशिश करेगा. So you can see the mood is electrifying. Pakistan team has just reached here in Dubai International Stadium and we are waiting for Indian team to arrive here. A lot of traffic problems in Dubai which is causing this delay, but soon Indian team will also enter the stadium.
Ankan, and you're covering this event live, this Mega Clash live. Each time you speak to a fan, go very close to them because, we'll be getting a better audio quality there. And we'll also be beaming in the pictures live coming in from Ankan's frame. Let me go across to Arunil and Pradeep Datta, who are also joining us at this moment. Arunil, excitement palpable in Indian fans. Get us the mood, as it unfolds right before you in Mumbai.
Well, Sagarika, at present I'm reporting from Kandivali and Rohit Sharma is a Kandivali boy. He used to play at this Poisar Gymkhana. With me is a mentor of Rohit Sharma, Yogesh Patel, founder of his school as well. You tell us some of the anecdotes, interesting anecdotes from Rohit Sharma's life. We also got to know that he was injured once, stitches on his face, but yet he had come to bat. What was that incident? Please tell us about
Absolutely, during one match in a local ground at Borivali, when I went to see his match, I was told that he's playing without helmet. So I was little upset. I said he should wear the helmet, otherwise it will be a problem. And next ball, he got the cut in his eyes. So he started bleeding profusely. So immediately I called a doctor, surgeon.
But yet after that also he had come to play on the ground.
So
and
you can see today also 3 stitches on his left eye. And doctor said very clearly that he cannot play. If he'll start playing, then again it will bleed. But he came to the ground, he wanted to play, but I did not allow him. And when I didn't allow him...
basically speaks volume about Rohit Sharma's character as well, the kind of courage that he displayed right from his childhood, the kind of determination also being showcased. आप बताइए, अब पाकिस्तान की जो सिचुएशन है वो ऐसी है that अगर इंडिया को अभी नहीं हराए तो टूर्नामेंट से ही बाहर हो जाते हैं, होस्ट है, तो बहुत सारे टीवी भी फूटने का वहाँ पर टीवी भी तोड़े जाने का संभावना है।
डेफिनेटली टीवी आज बहुत सारे टीवी, एलईडी, एलसीडी, बिग स्क्रीन सब टूटने वाली है आज, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. इंडिया ऑन फायर, इंडिया विल कम इन द फाइनल विद ऑल द.
आज पाकिस्तान में बहुत सारे टीवी टूटने वाले हैं. दैट्स द सेंटिमेंट कमिंग इन फ्रॉम अल्टीमेट cricket fans. That's in Kandivali, from where Arunil is reporting. Let me also go across to Delhi, the national capital, from where Pradeep Datta is reporting, and he also seems to be all set. You have with you a bat and a ball, and you have some cricket fans with you, Pradeep. What is their sentiment? What are their expectations? Take us through the live update.
Yes, Sagrika, you're absolutely right. In fact, cricket fever has gripped the whole of the country, whether it's Delhi to Dehradun, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, or Jaipur to Jammu. Everywhere the fans are quite excited. It's not only going to be adrenaline rush inside the stadium and outside also. Let me ask them, how's the Josh? How's the Josh? क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के दिन? क्या सुनाना चाहेंगे गा के?
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब आज के दिन. मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब आज के दिन.
जोश से बोलो ताकि आवाज दुबई तक जाए. शेयर करो. भारत माता की इंडिया.
इंडिया इज बेस्ट.
India is best. क्या करने जा रहे हैं? See, many of them are even wearing that Indian jersey also. क्या कहना चाहते हैं? पूरी आपने आज तो यूनिफॉर्म पूरी टीम की पहन ली है. क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
मैं हमेशा पहनता हूँ सर इसको.
जीत जाएगी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
जब मैच होता पहनते.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
आज इंडिया जीतेगा.
बिल्कुल.
कौन कमाल करने वाला?
रोहित शर्मा कमाल करेगा.
और आप क्या कहते हैं?
विराट कोहली करेगा कमाल.
आज विराट कोहली कर जाएगा कमाल.
मुझे इंडिया के सभी जितने भी खिलाड़ी हैं सभी पे विश्वास है, सभी कमाल करेंगे और धमाल से जीतेंगे.
रोहित शर्मा.
रोहित शर्मा. बॉलर में मोहम्मद शमी. Many of them are standing here also. Let me speak to them. What do you think?
India will win for sure. They're the best cricket team in the world. Nobody can beat them.
Who is going to perform well today?
Everybody. It's about the team effort. Every individual player will come together and make the team better.
So they are saying this time the whole team is going to play well. It will be the smashing willow or Rohit Sharma. Once his bat will start moving, it will be very difficult for the Pakistan to play. सुनो शोर से दुनिया वाला बुरी नजर ना हमें डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी.
So ahead of any match, especially when it comes to an India versus Pakistan match, it's the fan who becomes the center stage of all the momentum and the energy, and that's what you're witnessing as we go straight from Delhi to Dubai, from where Ankan is reporting. Ankan, both fans from India and Pakistan are now slowly trickling in. The mood is ecstatic there. There is a lot of palpable excitement that's building up. What else are you tracking around you? Where is Team India? What are you hearing when it comes to this match?
Fans' battle have already begun outside stadium before the game, and the atmosphere is electrifying. As you can see, a lot of fans behind me. They are just coming inside stadium, and they want to enter the stadium as soon as possible. It's hot here in Dubai, and they want to enjoy the game. They all are expecting a good game here. Sir, what is your name? What is your name, and what are you expecting today? Who will serve? How you guys want to cheer inside? Can you show us? Rohit or Virat. You name the player and they say everybody will score runs. If you ask Pakistani fans, they will say that Babar Azam, Rizwan, everybody will score runs. But they want to see a close game. They don't want to see a one-sided game. And the situation here, the atmosphere here is really amazing.
All right, so Ankan there getting us the live update straight from the Dubai International Stadium. How are cricketers and former cricketers now, cheering for Team India, because voices of support are pouring in from all across? Let's listen into some reactions.
इंडिया बहुत अच्छा खेल रही है और 9 मार्च को ये ट्रॉफी इंडिया जाने वाली है. The way Shubman is batting, Rohit Sharma led the team really strongly. Look at our spinner Akshar Patel, Jadeja और जो मोहम्मद शामी ने परफॉर्मेंस की. आई थिंक जिस तरह से आईसीसी में आईएसबी की टेकर बने, इंजरी के बाद जो कमबैक किए, लेकिन मुझे लगता है इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच बहुत बड़ा हुआ.
इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच है और यहाँ पे ना जमावड़ा लगा हुआ है दुबई में. मैं दुबई हूँ, मैच के लिए मैं भी आया हुआ हूँ. पर ये बता दूं कि फेवरेट भारत है, क्योंकि भारत की बल्लेबाजी अच्छी है, गेंदबाजी अच्छी है और पिछला मैच यहीं पे जीते हैं और उसी एक्सपीरियंस को लेके आगे बढ़ेंगे. और वेराज पाकिस्तान आया है, पाकिस्तान में हार के वो अच्छी पिचेस पे खेल के आए हैं. यहाँ पे पिच मिलेगी थोड़ी सी हल्की सी धीमी वाली, तो धीमी वाली पिच पे एडजस्ट करना उनके लिए ज्यादा मुश्किल होगा. भारत फेवरेट है मेरी नजर में और भारत ये मैच जीतेगा क्योंकि भारत की टीम सबसे बेहतर है.
And jeetega bhai jeetega, India jeetega, that's the chant that's reverberating across the country. With that, we're taking a short break, but you can trust us to keep you ahead with all the live updates and fastest coverage on this mother of all battles, the India versus Pakistan Champions Trophy match. We'll be keeping you ahead, but taking a short break, we'll be back with more news and updates.